Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 48. Net national income plus depreciation is equal to A. Capital consumption allowance, B. Gross domestic product, C. Gross national product, D. National income, E. Net national income. So we're looking at what net national income is and what do you get when you add net national income to the depreciation. Now the net national income, or NNI, is defined as the gross national income, or simply national income minus the depreciation of fixed capital assets such as buildings, machinery, and transport equipment, right? So, and this depreciation of fixed capital assets occurs usually through wear and tear. So net national income is national income or gross national income minus depreciation. So it means that if you add net national income to depreciation, what it gives is the national income or the gross national income. So the correct answer is option D, national income. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.